create this simple dubstep bass sound, all you need is 2 sine waves. So I'll select a sine wave here for oscillator 1, turn on oscillator 2 and select a sine wave here. Tune one of them up 2 octaves and one of them down 2 octaves, so they're 4 octaves apart. Let's have a listen to that. Not particularly exciting. I'm just going to turn the volume down there because that was quite loud. But if you start adding distortion, things get interesting. So you can see that movement there, and that is the phasing between these 2 different sine waves. If I start to add distortion, we actually amplify this phasing, and it gives us more harmonic content. And there we have the sound in its simplest form. To make this more interesting, you can always add a low pass filter to filter out some of those higher frequencies. So we could apply a LFO to modulate the cutoff of this filter. So here we go, cutoff 1 and 2, source, LFO 2. Let's use LFO 2 so we can actually sync the LFO. Now that's a sound I'm sure many of you are familiar with. This filter actually has a drive setting, so we could use that instead of the main distortion, which might just make it a bit more characterful. Maybe add some resonance. Maybe add some of the initial distortion as well. And there you have it.